Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to build a personal AI assistant like Jarvis. Just imagine like your own Superman. You can ask anything, get the feedback. Yeah, so to start, these are the dependencies you're going to install on your machine. After installing these dependencies, you're going to have to get the Gemini API key and insert it in the env file. So go to Google, go to the link below, get your API key. After getting your API key, come and insert it in the .env file. So in app.py, allow me to copy the code so that I can explain to you. In this code, we are loading the environment variables from the .env file, then configuring our API key, which is inside the .env file. If no API key is detected, you're going to be asked to add your API key. So we're going to configure our API key and then set up the model, generative model, which is Gemini 0.20 Flash, which is the best and the free model you can find out here. Then we're going to import the voice modules, but if they don't fail, no, if not available. So we're going to import speech recognition, import here, then we're going to import the speech recognizer. After that, we're going to initialize the text to speech engine. As you can see, we are initializing the engine. Then the voice, getting the properties of the voice, the language e.g. Then the set property of the voice, which is going to reply, and the rate it's going to reply. So if the voice is true, voice recognition is going to be enabled. If not, voice recognition is going to be disabled, and you can only use the text mode to ask questions. So this is a function that converts text into speech. After that, we give Jarvis the text to convert it into speech. So this is the if except function. After that, we are going to listen to the user's voice input and convert it to text. After converting it to text, we give now Jarvis that input to convert it into speech. So listening, recognizing the try and accept functions. Widget the query, then lower the column. After that, it's going to speak. If you do not get the value the user was saying, it's going to say repeat. If there was a request error, it's going to say the speech service is down. So another function is the get Gemini response, which is going to get the response from a Gemini, which then is going to be used by the AI to generate the voice output. Also, this response is going to just be like it can respond to text, but also it can be used in text. So another function is to search Google. If the user gives a prompt to search Google for such information, it's going to search, then cut the best information, the top first from the first website, and give the feedback to the user. Also, there is the function to get time and the function to get the date. You can also add different functions like to read emails, control smart devices. If you have an IoT, you can implement your functions. And also we have a function to process the commands of the user. If the function command of the user includes time, is going to get the time. If date, is going to get the date. If search, is going to reply with a search query. If it's about emails, it's going to read emails, turn off, turn on. This is about the IoT components of your application. So for the general queries, it's going to use Gemini to give the output. Also, there's a function to run Jarvis. As you can see, we're going to use the function down here on the when a user goes to the endpoint of start voice. We are going to use our function run Jarvis to process what the input of the user is and give back the feedback. You see, we're going to use our function to give output through this endpoint start voice. So after that, we have a few endpoints. Then the rest is on how to start the application. We can start the application and see how it works. So don't worry about the code. The code will be given below and you can follow it through. So we're going to start app.py. We're going to start app.py. Then go to our website. You can see this is our JARVIS API. We can ask who is the best let's say who is the best programmer. So influential programmers like Linus Torvald, Geisha Solism, then Denise Riching. So you can go to the website. I know you can't see. And start the voice mode.
I am Jarvis.
And we ask it, who is the President of the United States?
How can I help you today?
So it is listening and recognizing. Who is the President of the United?
Are you asking about
who is the President of the United
States? Or the President of
America?
United Sports Team or
so
organization?
It's giving some hallucinations because Gemini is not very
the current president. If you can provide more information about the United you're interested in.
Thank you. Comment below for more.